Hello world, PDR coming at you here with a 2015 Toyota Tundra. Real nice big four-door edition of this truck. And if you guys see, I got a dent right here along the line of the extra orange peel that they put down for rock chips sake. And so I'm going to start at the top and bring you guys in for this one. And hopefully you guys can hear me all right. I do have the microphone on, and hey, I think this dent might come out fairly quick. So at this point I'm going to say I really do appreciate everybody that clicked on this video. Hope you guys get entertained, amused, or at best case scenario learn something that might benefit you. Now it's starting to get tough to see, so I'm going to give it more of an angle. And I'm going to come back over here. I'll show you guys where I'm at. I'm right in the center of that. And so that means I'm not going to push hard enough for you to see right where I'm at. Coming up to the top edge of it. And I'm just using my broken handle. A little twisty. It was a tool-like clutch, but it ended up being broken handle and broken tip because it broke. But it's a good tool, and now I am fighting to find my way. I want to find my way right into that bottom area. You can hear how it's kind of moving. There we go. That's where the magic happens. It's like I have to make the twist and then a pry. There's a twist and there's a pry. And not do it severe enough that I crack any paint, but also gotta move some metal. And this is real tense down here. This is a bend, and it's right next to another bend, right next to a folded over edge. This is stiff metal, guys. So, but we're getting it out now. I'm right dialed in. Maybe about 10 more pushes. So in essence, this might be a shorter video. You know, I wish they were all like this. And truth be told, there's another dent on this car that we might just take out and make another short video today. I'm along this edge right here of this stuff. And now I can come up into that top area where there's a little teardrop there and basically work the rest of that out nice and flush. Excuse me, right there. I'm actually going to move the board so we can really see what I'm looking at here. I don't know if you guys got the visual. Let's come around. Oh yeah. Now I've got a little tiny line and a little triangle above it that honestly to the naked eye is almost gone. So let's get real tight on it. And I'm looking through that fog. I'm just right there, right on the top edge of that. Follow it down. Couple nice pushes. Let's make one right next to that. If you guys can see where I'm at, good eye. Now, I know right where I'm at, and I'm at the point that I'm almost wanting to stop. Just because I know how tight it is right in here. These lines, excuse me, these lines are straight, but, ooh, I just almost pushed up here. But I also don't want to make a high spot. That would look really funky in this I don't know, graduated area, gradiated from paint to orange peel, from smoothness to rough. They put that rough grit down just in case you get rock chips down there. It's prevent from them. And personally, in the dent business, if this dent was down here, I'd love it. It makes a good dent guy's job really, really easy because you can match up that orange peel real well. If you notice, I'm still right here in the center, It was at about that 90% a while ago, and I'm just being picky. Super nice truck, super nice guy. We're gonna do as good as we can, and even if we run over, you know, what, a minute or two, spend an extra couple minutes, I think that's worth it. Guys, to be honest, never been in it for the money. Actually got in it because the money was way better than being a receptionist at a dent company. But yeah, most of the time I'm in this to help people. Same thing with the YouTube. Definitely not doing it for money, just doing it to help people. So if you guys get to learn anything, I think that's great. We sure appreciate all the comments. And now I'm at about 95% on this dent. I am not gonna forget to cross-check, which means on something that's this low on the ground, I can just lay my board down. Make sure I don't lay it on my suction cup. And then as I look down, I see there's just a little tiny ridge. I know I can get that ridge. Low ridge, not high. So stand back a little actually. And then I want to change my angle here. There we are. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm looking at. It's almost invisible. But this is where the, I don't know, high level being the difference between a wholesale level and a retail level dent is going this extra mile right here. So that's what we want to do. And I sure appreciate you guys sticking around for this little extra bit, because this is what makes it look nice. Somebody said in a video, can't believe you're doing dents with the shades on. And yeah, sometimes I do have to remove the shades just to see where I'm at, because they do help and sometimes they hurt. So yeah, both ways, with and without the shades. And this is so hard even for me to see, guys. I'm basically right in the middle of that low, and I'm ready to call it. I think it looks great. So let's take another look down this side. Yeah, I mean, right where there's just a tad bit of low is right where the orange peel changes into this other one. Luckily, that kind of hides the line for me and actually does help. It makes me want to make one more little push, but I really don't want to, like I say, make any push marks or crack any paint. I'm going to be really, really babied with this right here. And let's find my spot. Okay. It's also pretty darn thick metal on the bottom of the door there. Maybe it's just the paint that's thicker. It's freaking me out. Here we go. A little bit higher. Let me get right into this dent where I do see just a little bit of a low. It's tough to see. So right here is where I'm going to make about a push or two. Very, very delicate. I'm in Zen mode, guys. Let me go down with this thing really carefully. And now that I can see where I'm at on the sidelines, yeah, we get it to that 95% mark, and that's what I tell any customer is nothing is perfect in this business. It's not a science, it's a craft. And if I can get it to that 95%, usually my 95% is, you know, pretty close to somebody else's 99. And now I just got it up to about 97. So we're really dialing in, getting this last little bit out. I almost made a high spot. And we are out here in nature with the birds cacawing. And that's what I had to do to fill in that area. Okay guys, so where is my hammy tappy? And this is what we call almost the end of the dent here. I'm gonna get this little tiny brow out. That's about 2.5 pounds of pressure. That's almost the weight of the hammer just dropping. And so with that, I think we're looking pretty darn good. Start to finish, dent to nothing. If you guys liked it, please hit that like button if you would. And other than that, this has been PDR and I'm out. Peace.